All right, so drones are awesome, right? But sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. I was feeling destructive this morning, but not enough to destroy my drones. No drones were harmed in the making of this video. Now, this first one is pretty wild. Look at how it spirals out of control before smashing into that tree. The slow-mo replay really shows you the exact moment everything goes wrong. Moving on to this next crash, you can see the pilot trying to recover, but it's too late. That impact is brutal, and you can almost feel the crunch through the screen. These crashes aren't just stunning to watch, they're also incredibly informative. Each one teaches us something about drone design, piloting skills, and the importance of safety measures. So, while we're enjoying the spectacle, we're also learning how to be better drone operators. And let me tell you, in this cyberpunk world we're living in, where tech is advancing faster than we can blink, these lessons are crucial. Plus, it's cool to see things go boom. The raw power of these machines clashing with the unforgiving laws of physics. It's a stark reminder of our limitations in this high-tech era, but it's also pretty darn awesome to watch, right?